Hi, in this session, we are going to see how to install JDK for SonarQube. Latest versions of SonarQube is not supporting JDK 8, so we will be installing JDK 11 for SonarQube here. For downloading JDK, just go for Google and just type this JDK 11 download. So it will be the first link. You just click here, it will be redirecting to this. Since we will be using Windows 64-bit and I'll be downloading this and as I've already downloaded the JDK and I will be skipping this process. So once the download is completed, just go to your download directory and just click this JDK and it will start to installing the JDK for you. So just click next, then next, then it is now extracting all things and yeah, now it's copying new files. Yeah, once everything is completed and now it's Java 11 is installed now. So just close this window. So once you have installed Java here, so you need to set up the environment variable for Java. So for setting the environment variable, just go to command and just edit system variable and just go to advanced tab, then environment variable. First, just click new, then variable name, just enter Java underscore home, then variable value is your JDK installation location. So I have installed a C program files Java in this JDK 11. So just I copy here, then click OK. As well, we need to set the path also. Just edit this path and create new, then just enter the percentage Java ho percentage backslash bin. So basically we are referring this Java home slash bin means so this directory we are referring. So once this Java environment variable set, just click OK. Then just go to the command prompt now. Just type Java hyphen version. Yeah, as you can see that now Java 11 is installed and we have set the environment variable.